What are the most common challenges that you've been facing related to the child? I'm sure most of you will say it's concentration, focus, poor memory, creativity, behavioral challenge, psychological challenges. And I think today's world, most of the people would not even mind saying screen time, which has become a major issue today. So, as a parent, have you really found a solution to all these challenges? I'm sure the answer is no, right? So, in fact, the team Mindtrees, along with the experts, has worked and really came up with a beautiful program that will help you to transform the child on 360 degree. We realized if you really want to transform the child, you have to work on two things, that's conscious mind and subconscious mind both. So, what is this program all about and how does it really benefit the child? So, the very first thing which is important for you to understand is to understand the child himself or herself. Most of us do not understand the child and we try to nurture the child. But if we do not understand the nature of a child, how is that we can actually nurture a child? So it's extremely important that we should adopt a scientific way to nurture a child. And that scientific way is a psychometric test, which will help you to discover the best career options for a child, the multiple intelligence that is an aptitude of a child, and it will always help you to understand what career stream should the child be choosing, be it a humanities or a commerce or it's a science. So once you understand the strength and weakness of a child, you understand the signature strength of a child, you understand what are the things that you need to give an exposure to the child, you are in better control and you can guide the child in better fashion so that he actually moves to the career path that best suits him. Now, second thing is about the programming of a child. Is there any way we can program the child? Today, if you really say anything to the child, most of the children do not listen. So, how would you want to bring that change into the child if a child is not listening to you? So, the solution to this is called smart mind programming, which is also called the sleep therapy or a subconscious mind programming. A very special frequency of a music which is being played, uh, and this is being played for about 15 to 21 days constantly every day during any time of the day. The child can listen to this frequency of a music. It's a very special frequency with subliminal coding, and there's a affirmation to that which will subconsciously program and bring that desired change into the child. And this is related to concentration, memory, self-discipline, and the goal setting. So child would have a clearer goal. Now, third thing, level three, we work onto the skills. That is, we impart the type of the academic skills into the child, which would really help him to enhance his academics and which would reduce his study time. How would it happen? So, for example, we give them seven different important academic skills which are really required but is not being taught into the school. And they are, the first one is the wheel of life, through which you are able to identify the gaps, in the areas, and the child can actually work to improve upon those gaps. Number two is the three memory techniques that we teach the child, which childs love it because it's a fun way to learn and memorize the things. And whatever that you memorize for life, and you're able to memorize that in half the time. Now, next thing is like we also teach them the mind mapping so that the child is able to organize the information very well into his mind, never to forget type. And then comes in the goal setting, and the goal setting will help the child to define the short term and a long term goal and to walk onto that path. So these are the things, and apart from that, there's something called the NLP affirmations that will help the child to reduce the screen time and work towards his goal. So all these 360-degree transformational programs comes to you in a package which is called Student Empowerment Program. And this program has been specially designed by the specialist in each field so that we can truly transform the child and you can sincerely see the visible difference and the results which are measurable in nature in a child in terms of academics and the other field. So don't have to worry about, you don't have to go anywhere. You can give this program to your child because this is online program and everything will be delivered through a dashboard. It's just a password and the child will get an access and the child can perform this program at his will and at the same time, depending on his own pace, a child can learn that. This is quite unique the way your child is unique. So you don't have to go anywhere. You can just grab this. And I think today is a special offer. So don't forget to ask the special offer for the student empowerment program. Gift it to your child, and I can tell you, you'll make his life a simpler one. Thank you and wish you a happy parenting.